all that kind of business. Now where's your noise? Where's your noise?
It will be if you let them get away with another one.
Where's your noise?
Jason's going to be any different.
Well?
The client at that level in my office knows what happened. And you have to interrogate everyone.
Are you making Grandma make you make noise?
Put the gloves on for round 2.
Huh? Yes.
Strange calls, like someone fishing for information about the judge.
So come on, Grandma.
No, nothing like that at all. Anybody come in with court
Ow. Did you bite Grandma?
No, he's pinching my head.
Oh, yeah, he pinches more than he bites. Yeah, that hurts.
Except maybe a court officer.
What are you doing, silly boy?
No, he's trying to pull my arm. I don't know where he wants my arm. You can't chew on it.
So they could.
Week before the trial.
What did your mouth open?
Did the
Ouch.
judge step out for a bite to eat when I got
Are
back?
you beating Grandma up? Lennon. Lennon. What are you doing?
Just sign up here.
Your dimple's showing.
Officer McCooper. I was sick. I didn't think I could make it to the ladies' room.
Oh, look at you. Are you performing? I'll have to show Mommy this one.
You mean your sugar daddy making crack? Because my old
Lennon. Lennon.
What we're talking about is life in prison without parole.
You're goofy. You're goofy. But you're so cute.
We have the 89 traded it. The tires match tracks.
Are you biting again? Biting or pinching?
Our crime scene. Into that car. They find a hair, a drop of blood that matches Jason's DNA.